Let's go on to the next, speed and braking control. These are some of the key areas your DMV tester, your road tester will be looking for. Number one, a lot of beginner drivers always stare at the speedometer. They're always looking down. Don't stare at the speedometer. Don't look down. What would this do? This will cause failure because you're going to be looking down the speedometer just like I'm looking down, and then the light changed, right? So don't overcheck the speedometer. Don't overcheck it. Next, let's talk about poor acceleration. A lot of beginning drivers, particularly on a DMV test, you are scared to push the gas because you do not want to speed. Well, as a result of this, the traffic pack moves and you're about 5 cars behind, 7 cars behind, 8 cars behind. I can't tell you how many times I've had my student drivers out and the light turns green and zoom, everyone just takes off and leaves us. And the speed limit is 50 and we're at 20. So I'm saying to myself, whoa, I got to tell my student to kind of pep up a little bit, catch up. So then you end up speeding. So that